This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an 8-speaker stereo system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.